Welcome to Circa. I'm excited to show you around. In this video, we'll introduce you to your events dashboard, which is the first page you see when you log in. Let's dive in. On the left-hand side is the sidebar. Here you can see your upcoming events, all events, events you're assigned to, recent, requested, or past events. Here you'll see the Saved Views option, and we'll get back to that. You can also view your event requests here, import your event CSVs, and edit your event settings. Here is where you can add custom fields too. You can customize your event request forms and brief templates. Back to the main dashboard. On the right-hand side is the main table of the dashboard, and this displays the event info columns that you decide are most important to you. Here's where you can use the filter and column drop-down menus to get the exact view you need. These menus contain all of the various event info fields. Once you set up your columns and filters, you can use these icons to view your events as a list, in a calendar, or even on a map. This Save View button allows you to save the current filtered list of events and columns for later. You can view them back over here in your sidebar. You also have the option to share this view with others as well, or you can export it as an email or a CSV. You can search for any event in your entire channel using this search bar here. And there you go. So these are the basics for your events dashboard. Take the time to familiarize yourself with it and check out the quick start guides in our support center to learn even more.